Hey guys, just a really quick video on how to replace your park lights on your headlight on the forward territory 2008 model. So just reaching your hand under and feeling the bulb on the headlight right there. Alright, so you feel it right there. See, there it is. Can you hear that moving? It's the twist to the left and it comes out. So these look blown. They're not working at the moment. I don't know if you can see that. It's very dark colour. There they are there. I just pull them out. They're called wedge. I just got new. They're about $6 for two Ripco ones, wedge bulbs. Just got a new one here. See the difference? Don't know if you can see that. Definitely blown both sides. So on the other side, it's very lucky you can get access to them. I've already got this one out, so it's easy to get access to it. So you just look for it, feel the cable, and just twist it out and twist back in. So replacing it is quite easy as well. Just plugging back in. Right, let's get the camera angle right. See that? You can just see that it wedges in. There you go, like that. And just push back in. And then you're just feeling for the hole in the headlight. There it is. Look at the front. Feel it. There's my finger. And then you're just sliding to your right if you're facing it. Left. Slide to your right to twist out. Slide to your left to push back in. And I'll do the same over this side. So, very quick fix. Alright, they charge you, I think, $20 to fit this Ripco super cheap. Can you believe that? Like, I don't know, different vehicles are different, I guess, but this is the simplest bulb change you can ever do. Just looking for that hole now. There it is. These are the same as your number plate headlights and number plate bulbs on the back. Wedge. You twist that. Not twisting. Where is it? That's it. Alright, so guys, that was a quick fix. There you go, replace your parking bulbs. Done.